everyone. On this part, we are just going to summarize how to solve the quadratic equations. And now, I want us now to derive the quadratic formula that's going to help us to solve so many problems that arise in that topic. We can have an example when we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In this part, we are going to just follow the steps that we have done earlier. The coefficient here of x squared is a, and we said that the coefficient of x squared must be 1. So we are supposed to divide by a across by a. Here we'll be having x squared plus b over a x plus c over a is equals to 0. The next step, we are supposed to take this part the other side. So here we'll be having x squared plus b over ax is equals to negative c over a. On this part now, we have our a, b, then we have another value which is missing. In our first or some examples earlier, we named it like k. So here we are supposed to have that value there. And how to get it? It is b over 2 squared. Just our normal procedure. So here we have x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared is equals to negative c over a plus b over 2a squared. From this part now, we are going to drop b over ax for us now to be left with x plus b over 2a squared is equals to negative c over a plus this. We can square this one and have b squared divided by 4a squared. On this part now, we can find the square root, the LCM on the right hand side for us to have this answer. So now we can have the LCM of a and 4a squared. We can have it as 4a squared. 4a squared divided by a, we have 4a. 4a times negative c, we have negative 4ac plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared, we have 1. 1 times b squared, we get b squared. This one is equals to x plus b over 2a, and everything is squared. Let us write this one up there for us to see well. We have x plus b over 2a squared being equals to, on this part now we can rearrange. We can start with b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. So on this part now, we find the square roots on both sides to eliminate the square that we have there. And we'll be having x plus b over 2a is equals to, the answer here will be plus or minus the square root of this one. We can still have it as b squared minus 4ac divided by the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of a squared is a. On our left hand side, we are supposed to be left with the x, but here we have plus b over 2a. So we are supposed to take this one the other side. So we'll be left with x is equals to negative b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. 2a are both on the denominator. We can have the LCM and have our x being, the LCM here is 2a. Here we'll be having negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. And this is a quadratic formula. The good thing about this is there's no need for you to cram it. It is provided at the back of a mathematical table. But it is also important if you know how to follow all the way from the first step to the last. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more. Thank you.